Good morning, children. Welcome to biology session. So today's topic is sunlight is necessary to form starch in green plants. So as you all know, green plants do photosynthesis because they have green color pigment known as chlorophyll. So to form starch, whether plants require sunlight or not, this we are going to observe today in this experiment, children. So this is also known as a black paper experiment. So which is written down, it is black paper experiment. So aim, coming to the aim of the experiment, children, to prove that sunlight is necessary to form starch in green plants. So even though if we give water and everything, whatever it is, sunlight is essential for plants for production of starch, that we are going to prove here. Coming to the materials required, we require destarched potted plant, black paper and iodine solution. First of all, before starting the procedure, I would like to discuss with you again how to destarch a plant. So for destarching occur in a plant when a part of a plant is deprived of starch as by translocation. So it is also the process of eliminating starch reverses in a plant for experiments concerning photosynthesis. So this is done by keeping the plant in dark place for long period, for at least 3 days. You keep the potted plant in a dark day and then automatically it will be destarched. In this way we have to destarch the plant. Coming to the procedure of this experiment, see children, on the potted plant we have kept a, now from a destarch we have brought a destarched plant now. So we have kept a black paper on the leaf. Now if possible, if you wanted to do any design inside that black paper, and you can do the design, if it is a star mark or S mark, any design you can do any cut design and expose the plant to the sunlight. So after much exposure to the sunlight, you have to take the leaf and do the iodine test, because you should observe that the part which is covered is turning into blue black, or the part which is exposed to sunlight is turning into blue black, in this way. So the part which you are covering should be exactly very dark, children. So it should be very dark. Yes. So coming to the observation. So how can you do the test for the iodine test? So by using the iodine. So how can you test the presence of starch? By using the iodine. So see here, in the first image there is no starch, so it did not turn into blue black color. In the second image there was a starch in this leaf, so it turned into blue black color. So coming to the observation, see here children, here we have given a cut mark. So the leaf which is exposed to sunlight changed into blue black color, see in the second diagram, whereas the leaf with a black paper is not changed into blue black color, it remains colorless like this only. There won't be any change. That means without sunlight it is unable to form starch. By this we can prove that result, as the leaf which is exposed to sunlight turned into blue black color. By this we can confirm that sunlight is necessary to form starch in green plants. So this is the plant, it requires sunlight, see. So definitely without sunlight there won't be any formation of starch. I hope you all understood the experiment. It's time for the class task now. So first question will be, what is the reagent used to test the presence of starch? Write the procedure and observation of this experiment with a neat labeled diagram. So definitely when there is in science, when there is essentially, when there is a possibility of drawing the diagram, you have to draw the diagram, children. So complete your task as soon as possible. Thank you.